So hi, welcome to another episode of Dr. Dana Rakowski TV, and on this episode I'm going to teach you all about how to make money online fast. Make sure you subscribe so you never miss an episode. Newly joining, let me introduce myself. My name is Dr. Dana Rakowski. I am a psychologist, nationally certified school psychologist, mom of two living in sunny South Florida. I help provide parents with mental health resources, teach parents how to navigate the special education system, and share ways of how to achieve financial freedom all from your home. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please make sure you do. So in this episode, I'm going to teach you all about how to make money online as a product tester. I've been using this site for several years and I've made quite a nice chunk of change over the years. So not only do you get to keep and test products, but they actually pay you commissions for each product you test. So not bad, I'd say. All right, so the name of this website is called PPOC.club. What is PPOC? It's an elite product testing club. And how do you get in? By invitation only, which I'm going to provide that invitation for you. So what do you need to be? How does it work? So basically, they will send you an email when a product is available that meets your criteria. You claim it on their site, shop Amazon Prime. They reimburse you on PayPal as soon as the item is shipped, and as soon as you receive the item, you get commission. And then they ask for feedback on the items. Not every item, but most of them. And you just give them some feedback based on what, answer the questions that they ask you. The things you need to be part of this elite testing club is an Amazon Prime account and a PayPal account. Simple. So what are your responsibilities for this club? You just provide the detailed feedback, such as input on product pages, so that you'll have to scan through Amazon pages, listings, and review the content and how they can improve it. You will vote on content to see what product designs you like better, which ones you more. You do product comparisons, and that's about it. And and every time you hit $25 in commission, you get cash out and they send you instantly into PayPal. And it actually goes fast. So there have been months I've earned a couple $100 over the course of a month. So overall, I'm going to post so you can see in the screen here, but you could see in about two and a half years that I have been doing this club, I've made almost $500 just in commission, and I've gotten almost $5,000 in free products. So it's easy and it's fun. And they're actually products that you would purchase. So I'm going to show you some examples. So this is some of the most recent products I've gotten. This is Sunwing Cocoa Clarity. What is this? I don't even know. Well, it's a superfood powder mix, and they actually sell this in retail stores, so really cool. This is a loose leaf tea that I've gotten, and some screen protectors for my iPhone. So they do send you cool products, and they're stuff that you actually would want to test. Now, not everything is going to be like, oh, I want to test that, but that's okay, because it gives you opportunities to claim other items. And if you don't like the item, you just give it away. No big deal. So is it a scam? Is this legit? I get asked that a lot. Yes, it's 100% legit. I was skeptical at first, then I did it and never had a problem with them. The customer service is also great. They answer questions right away. Yes. All products that you get on the site are free. You get reimbursed immediately. They pay you back the full price that you legit. It's quick cash, commissions. So easy way. So I will post the invitation link down below. If you have questions about it, please contact me. Love to chat with you more. And I'm going to post more of these videos on how to make money online fast, because I am part of a lot of these companies, and I've made like a couple $1,000s over the years just doing product testing. Thank you for watching.